Hi guys, this is Jason Lummis from Muddy River here at Tasmania today at AGFEST. We've got the 616 on display, which is the new Avatar. Row units are a single disc unit on this machine. They come in 3 metres, 4 metres, 6 metres and 8 metres. As you can see, the row units itself, very robust, very strong seal bearings. With this machine, it runs a rubber torsion system up the front. There's no grease nipples on the row unit at all. So longevity wise, we can keep her in the paddock for a lot longer. We've got a couple of grease nipples just on the pivot points, once a day on those to keep you going. This machine comes with a 5,000 litre hopper, electric drive metering system. So we just change the cartridges inside. So pull the spring out, unscrew the 2 clips on the side, and you can change your cartridge to whatever you like. So various seeds, small seeds, large seeds, whatever you like to do is available with this all Horsch equipment. This is 5,000 litre hopper. They do have a small hopper on the smaller machines. The one thing that we can do, the options with this machine, we can have on the 6 metre and the 8 metre is half width shut off. Then we can also get an option which is called selective hosing. Now selective hosing means that we bring all the left hand side to the front row and all the right hand tower to the back row. So then you can actually obviously seed at a wider spacing, or you can seed with different or mid-row band with fertiliser. So that is an option that we can get out of the factory. As you can see with the machine, it's very well built. Okay, so with all the Avatars, they all go into a 3 metre transport. As you can see, when the wings come down, then also the ladder hydraulically comes out. So easy access to the bin. On the 6 and the 8 metres is also available for a folding hydraulic auger, which is quite good for with the higher bin. So then once you fold the wing back up, it goes into 2.99 fold. This will actually fold back in. Okay, so we're up the top of the bin here. Obviously this is a double bin, but they are available in a triple bin. So we can have 2 options there, which is 3 metering devices with 3 separate bins, or we can have a microgranulator box, which is actually just a 300 litre hopper that fits in the middle of between these 2 bins, just to do your real small seeds if you'd like to put a bit of clover down the chute while you're seeding your cereals or something like that. The 2 main bins will do all the small seeds, so you don't have to worry about if you just want to have the 2 bins, it's still available to do the small seeds. Okay. So with the single disc opener that they've built here, you can see that we use a big forged arm. It's nice and strong. We use seal bearings, and we run the big HD bearings in our speed tillers and also in our single discs. This is the catching seed wheel. If it gets really sticky in wet conditions, we can also lift this up. So we pull this clip out, we obviously set it up on the top, and we just let it go, and it'll sit out of the way, and then we'll be just closing just with the closing wheel at the rear. So it gives you that option, just that flexibility if it does really get in those wet conditions. As you can see here, if we want a bit more closing on our closing wheel, then obviously we just adjust the spring to whatever tension we want on it. So it gives you the options. You can actually put the spring on top and get another 3 out of that too. Okay, so this machine's fitted with blockage sensors. So they're a Dickie John blockage sensor. So these blockage sensors are set with sensitivity, so if you are doing small seeds, you can lower and raise that sensitivity on the run. So you make sure that you're accurate right beside that seed. If you do get a fine block, then it's going to alarm you in the cab. So good option with the Dickie John option on the HORSCH Avatar.